Watch this NQ. If it opens under the line, we can do a speed tick trade at 5 ticks or less. If it's on or above the line, we could do a rock star. Of course, if it opens under, we could do a rock star. So I'm just watching, hanging out, waiting for the market to tell me what to do. Okay, speed tick, short. +5. All right, I got that rock star on NQ. In and out. Done. +5. Easy peasy.
All right, still watching it. See if we get a rock star on the open of the next bar. Like that. So I did buy the GC. And +5. They see we had some nice momentum pushing down that low of the day. That was our safety net. We had that first threshold speed tick being the white speed tick. You were oversold. Got divergence with that rock star on the open of the next bar within 5 ticks of our safety net, that low of the day. And in, out, done.